I have had hair fall related problems since the last decade, that is 2015. To give it a go, I came here, I met all the amazing professionals working here. Everybody was extremely caring, extremely professional. They explained me the whole journey. Yeah, hi, this is Prajot Mishra. I come from Vashi, Mumbai. So I have had hair fall related problems since the last decade, that is 2015. I had tried a lot of other combinations of treatments, but there was not much of a difference that was shown. So incidentally, I came up meeting one of my old friends who had taken a treatment from Hairfree and Hairgrow clinic, and it showed staggering results. I looked up on the clinic last few months, and then I came up with a colleague who incidentally had done the same treatment from this clinic, and both the results convinced me to give it a go. I came here, I met all the amazing professionals working here, and from the moment of get-go, there was a soothing experience. Everybody was extremely caring, extremely professional. They explained me the whole journey, right from pre-care to post-care, how long it would take, how difficult some procedures could be, what are my different options, and what is the best case scenario. So I did my procedure a couple of days ago. Currently on the post case, I intend to keep it and hoping for the best results. It's more promise than a hope because I know it will be great results. Thank you.